In today's video, I'll show you how to compress any video file without losing quality. In other words, I'll show you how to reduce your video file size from 3 gigabytes, for example, all the way to 1 gigabyte. So you can save up a ton of space in your computer. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about a reliable software that allows you to reduce your video file size seamlessly so you can save up a ton of space in your computer. And before we jump into the tutorial, I'd like to take a minute to thank Winx Software for sponsoring today's video and for supporting the channel. They were so kind that they've got a gift to all viewers here on the channel. So at the end of the video, make sure you give a look at the description box below and tap in the link to get the giveaway from Winx DVD. One thing I really like about the software is that besides providing us the compress feature, they also allow us to edit the video throughout the process of compressing the video. They've got cool features such as the ability to trim the video, to crop the video, to add watermark to the video, and other exciting features as well that I'll be talking about while going throughout the tutorial today. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial and let's give a look at the software. Let's get into it. So here we are giving a look at the official website from where we can actually download the software. Do not worry, because the link to this website is actually in the description box below. So all you need to do in order to reach to this web page is just tap in the link in the description box below. So over here we've got two versions, which is one of them a Windows version and the second one a MacBook version. So depending on your operating system, if you've got a Windows PC, simply tap here on the Windows logo, and if you've got a MacBook computer, simply tap here on the Mac version in order to download the compatible version with your computer. So once you download the free trial, install it in your computer, and then if you like the software and if you want to get access to more premium features, then feel free to buy a license of the software. But first of all, I would recommend you guys to download the free trial version of the software and install it in your computer. Now, giving a look at the software, this is how the software looks like. This is the front end of the software, and what I like most about the software is the simplicity of the software. It's really easy to understand how the software works. Over here, we've got a few options according to your preference. For example, if you wish to open the output folder after the conversion, if you want to shut down your computer after conversion, and a few more other features right here. We also have the screen recorder, which is something really interesting. So over here from this software, you can actually screen record your entire laptop screen, which is something really powerful from my point of view. So basically, instead of just compressing or editing videos, you can also screen record if you want to showcase something to somebody online. Simply screen record all the steps while using your computer, and then you can easily save the video in your computer and show it to somebody. You can also record the video directly here from camera, where you get access to your webcam right here. Okay, in my case, I have my webcam turned off, but you can actually record the videos directly here from the software. Next up, you can also compress photos, okay, manually by tapping here on photo and then selecting photos that you wish to compress or reduce the file size. Now, going to the main point of today's tutorial, here we go. We've got video right here, which is an option that allows us to compress video files. Let me tap here on video once, and let me quickly choose a video in order to convert, okay, so that I can convert and reduce the file size. In my case, let me quickly select this folder right here, and I'll be compressing this video right here. Let's select the file here, tap on open, and then it's now loading the video. Over here, we've got an option to choose the output profile category. So basically what the developers of the software have done is they've created categories according to the device where you want to use the video at. For example, if you wish to use the video on an Apple device, simply select Apple device and then select which which product you actually have where you want to watch the video from. This actually helps you to have better compatibility while watching the video, so you do not face any issue while playing the video on your desired device. In my case, I'll be going with general profiles and I'll stick to MP4 video format right here. So over here, if you wish to reduce your video quality size, you can actually slide this toggle right here, but I'll keep it here in the middle because I don't want to lose quality, right? But if you wish to compress more and more space, you can actually reduce this to the left. In my case, I'll stick here to the middle and then simply tap here on done. Now next up, you can also tap here on edit if you wish to edit the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is actually the original video and this is the compressed one right here. And as you guys can see, we do not have any difference here. In this software, you can also add subtitles to your video by tapping here on enable subtitle and then selecting the SRT file which contains the subtitle of the video. You can also trim your video by tapping on enable trimming and selecting here the start time and the end time where you want to trim your video. You can also crop your video by simply selecting the area you wish to actually have in your video, which is something really cool as well. At last, you can also add a watermark, which is basically an image or a text that you can actually type in here. But in most of the cases, an image is much better, from where you can actually add a logo or a watermark on top of the video. For example, if I want to add here Fixed by Shaq, which is the name of the channel, I can keep it right here with this software, which is very user friendly. So once you're done editing your video, simply tap here on run and then the conversion is gonna start immediately. Simply wait for a couple seconds because this process is really fast. As you guys can see, in less than 30 seconds, I've already converted my video. As you guys can see, here we go. We've got the output video right here, which actually has the same quality as the first one right here. I can't even tell the difference between the original one and the compressed one, which is something that really makes me happy about this software right here, which is really reliable and that reduces your file size without losing the video quality that you've got. Do not forget to tap in the link in the description box below so you can actually get a giveaway from Winx DVD. So this was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful here on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and like the video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.